of advertising.
In terms of advertising, do you prefer music, advertising, food? What is it that you watch the most on YouTube?
Foodies.
Foodies. I must say, I can't say that it does not show, but come on. Alright, so what is your favorite dish? What did you watch last? What did you like about it?
I think I followed this NDTV Good Times program. Not sure which dish in particular, but I keep following the NDTV Good Times channel. I should say that.
Okay, so if I had to ask you a question offhand, that last year, do you know which Indian singer really made it big on YouTube? He was somewhere from down south, if I give you a clue.
The Kolaveri guy?
Do you know his name?
Dhanush.
Dhanush, not bad. So you know Kolaveri and you know Dhanush. It would be not fair for me if I let you go so easy, but I must ask you to just sing a line from Kolaveri. No, little bit. I'll sing with you. Come on, ya Latisha. Why did Kolaveri, Kolaveri, Kolaveri D?
Can't, yeah.
I am not Sunidhi, but I'm singing, yeah. Alright, great. Thank you so much for the spirit. Have a lovely evening. That way. The red carpet this evening at the Google Presents YouTube Brandcast 2013. Your good name, ma'am?
Vandana,
Vandana from?
Educate,
Alright, you're from Educate. So I'm presuming
partners with YouTube, yes.
content partners with YouTube. So I'm presuming you do spend a lot of time surfing online and you do.
Absolutely.
But what is it that you surf on more? Is it Google? Is it another search engine?
YouTube. YouTube is my favorite search engine.
YouTube is your favorite search engine. Alright. Okay, so any particular video that you can recollect that you watched last and that still rings a bell in your head?
Yeah, a lot of them, including Psy, Gangnam Style, and a lot of my own videos, educate videos and nursery rhymes that we are specialists in making.
Do you have a personal channel on YouTube?
We do. It is more than 76 million views.
76 million views. You guys are doing some fantastic work out there. But if I had to ask you, Vandana, that if you had a personal channel of your own on YouTube, what would you name it? Where you spoke all about yourself. What would you name your own personal channel on YouTube?
I'd rather have it called Educate because that's what I'm most passionate about doing.
So you're going to continue to educate people, and that's amazing. Thank you so much. We hope we can make this evening very, very memorable for you. Thanks a lot, Vandana. Have a lovely evening.
Global Brand Director of Airtel.
So Bharat, we're at the Google Presents YouTube Brandcast 2013. Firstly, how are you feeling today?
Brilliant. I'm really pleased to be here. And that's because we've done a lot of work with YouTube and they're very good friends of ours, not just professionally but also personally. So it's a great pleasure to be here today to be able to participate in this event.
Any particular expectations from the evening? What are you expecting that acha ye to hoega hi?
So definitely a great evening. I'm sure there'll be plenty of amazing stuff coming up on screen. Great presentations, great conversations. And I happen to be one of the speakers, so I do hope that the other people who are here are going to be satisfied with what I put up for them.
Okay, I absolutely love how you say great presentations because generally people tend to run away from those. But I'm wishing you all the very best for your presentation this evening. A quick question before you go. Your most viewed video on YouTube?
Okay, this is going to show my age, but the video that I watch the most on YouTube is a live concert recording of a song called Midnight in Harlem, which is played by a husband and wife couple called Derek Trucks and Sudan Tedeschi. And I view it all the time because I love that music and that song.
Is there any particular line that you can quote from there or something that you can share with us?
I'm definitely not going to sing it because all your viewers are going to cringe. But, well, just the line itself, Midnight in Harlem, is such an awesome thought, yeah?
Thank you, Bharat. Thank you so much. We wish you all the best this evening. Have a lovely one.
Thank you very much.
I have Arun Sharma with me from?
I'm from Airtel.
From Airtel.
Airtel.
Okay. You're from Airtel. We just had someone who just stepped by who was here from Airtel too, who was a speaker this evening. Firstly, how are you feeling?
He's my boss.
Oh, ho, ho. The boss is always right is what we've heard, so you better make sure that you're in accordance with everything he said. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, any particular expectations from the evening? What are you looking forward to the most?
I'm just looking for some stimulating session, some new ideas. That's it.
All right, so YouTube is what everyone's talking about. We're all here for Google, for YouTube. Your most viewed video?
The Airtel commercials.
The Airtel commercials. All right, let's try and get the ringtone, the Airtel particular tone that you have at the moment. Can you hum along?
जो मेरा है वो तेरा है, जो तेरा है वो मेरा.
Super. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. Enjoy yourself. Who do I have with me?
My name is Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa. My God, so much drama in the name, and I must say you look nothing lesser than that. How are you feeling, Mona Lisa?
Great. I'm looking forward to the evening. So, yeah.
So when you stepped in here and you just walked through the paparazzi, what was the first thought that crossed your mind?
Well, the paparazzi was much saner compared to what one would expect. But I think I'm absolutely looking forward to. I mean, Google is known for innovation and creativity, and I think that has come about in this event. So I'm really looking forward to not only the content but the way it's being presented. So, looks exciting.
Looks exciting. All right. So do you surf online? Do you actually log on to Google and YouTube and other search engines? Do you use the internet at all?
Absolutely. Of course, I mean, for anything, I mean, starting from how to use a gadget, I would just go and Google it and watch it on YouTube to get an online demonstration. So I use it very, very frequently. And as a company, I had marketing for a technology company, and we're wanting to go consumer. So I'm here to see how the tools that are going to be talked about today, how they can help us.
Any particular video that rings a bell in your head that you watched very recently that you'd like to share? Something interesting, something appealing?
You know, I'm sorry, a very bad memory, but yeah, I mean, I have been watching family videos, which my friends and family put on YouTube, but can't think of any other.
Any music video you watched lately?
No.
Everyone's doing Fevicol ka jod and all, yeah.
No, I am not into that at all. No, not at all.
All right, great. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening and enjoy yourself. Today evening.
Oh, I've just come here, so it's good. Anyways, I'm flying down from Delhi.
So is the weather much better in Mumbai? Not treating you well so far?
It is. Yeah.
What are your expectations from the evening?
I want to see what Google is in the offering.
You just want to see what Google is in the offering? Well, honestly, we've tried really hard to have a lot to offer this evening. A lot of surprises lined up. All right, let me ask you. Do you surf on YouTube and Google at all?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Any video you watched recently? Anything that caught your eye?
A lot of movies.
A lot of movies. What was something that you watched recently?
A lot of stuff. In fact, Google is one place where you see all the ads, what are going to play on TV and all. So that's what.
You know, like about 5 years back, when we did not have YouTube very much active in India, I'm sure that we were missing out on so much. But something, are you in accordance with that? Do you feel that YouTube has made a change, it's gotten us somewhere?
It's synonymous with video in India, right? I mean, globally, in fact. So that's a platform where people upload videos or see videos or whatever. So I'm from the media background, so Google has been partner, or YouTube has been partner since inception in India and all.
Okay, if I just tested your knowledge a little and asked you, if you had to take a random guess between 3 options, how many hours of content do you think is uploaded on YouTube in a minute?
How many hours?
How many hours of content is uploaded on YouTube within a minute? I give you 3 options, 70, 72, 75.
What's that?
Hours of content uploaded in a minute on YouTube.
72, 72, what all? Options?
70, 72, 75.
Obviously 75. I'll go for that.
All right, he goes for the highest, but it's close. It's 72, but I give it to you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Bye. See you. Ronak?
Ashwin.
Sean? So,
The truth.
No, can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. A soccer match, a highlight of a soccer game. That would be nice to say. Soccer game highlight. Yeah.
That's what he saw. I think he saw Messi's goal from a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
For a Barcelona game.
Yeah.
Right, not bad. But if I had to ask you, considering that both of you have been associated with IPL for years together, what are you going to tell all those people who are seated inside waiting for you guys to come and set the stage on fire? Are they going to watch IPL on YouTube?
Well, we hope they have been watching it because there have been a lot of people, and every year the viewership numbers on YouTube watching the IPL are going up, and that just proves that this is really the medium for the future, and it's one that you have to contend with really seriously. And we just hope that more and more people keep watching it. Just watch us. It doesn't matter where you watch us. Yeah. Just watch us.
All right, super. Thank you, Sameer. Thank you, Gaurav. We wish you all the very best for the rest of the evening. Wish you guys all the best.
Can we take them?
Yeah, sure.
Gupta.
Nab Gupta and?
Ritesh. Ritesh.
I need you all to step closer, please. There's a mark. Yeah, there's a mark. I have Ritesh and Nab Gupta. All right, where are you guys coming from?
I work with Viacom 18. We both work with Viacom 18. I work with the marketing team of MTV. We've just come to see the conference.
So I believe you guys have worked pretty hard on this evening as well.
Yeah, I was on leave. I've just come for this conference.
Oh, you've just come for the event. All right. So I'm going to wish you all the very best, to have a lovely time inside, and I wish that all the hard work put in pays off this evening, yeah? Thank you, Ritesh, and thank you, Nab Gupta. See you.
Yeah.
And which search engine do you use?
Well, it doesn't start with a G, let me guess. No, it's Google.
It is Google, yeah? I'm banking on that. All right. So with Google, do you also surf on YouTube?
Yeah.
Your favorite video, something you watched recently that comes to your mind?
I consume a lot of trailers on YouTube. In fact, all the trailers that I watch are on YouTube. So, yeah.
All right, so if I asked you last year, we had an Indian singing sensation on YouTube from down south who made it really big on YouTube that everyone was talking about. Any guesses who that could be?
You're referring to the Kolavari D video? Okay, Kolavari D. I think Dhanush?
See, if you get this right, you might just win a ticket for two to Australia.
Dhanush, Kolavari.
Dhanush, Kolavari D. But the tickets to Australia come at your own cost. Ha! Sorry.
Joke.
All right, I'm just pulling your leg. Well, it is Dhanush and it is Kolavari D. Any idea how many views did he have which made him so big?
10 billion.
10 billion? It's 1 billion, but I'll give it to you. No worries. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening. Have a lot of fun inside.
Pankaj.
Prashant and Pankaj, firstly, how are you guys feeling?
Very elated.
Elated already before stepping in only. The wife's done a good meal today, yeah? Is it?
I belong to Gurgaon, so wives are away.
You belong to Gurgaon, wives are away, that's why you're elated. Oh my God, all right. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, so we are at the Google Presents YouTube Brandcast 2013. Red carpet with Avneet Kohli. What are you expecting the minute you set foot inside? Like, what do you think is going to happen when Google comes to India and is here talking to all of us?
We both are part of Google, so we are the host.
Arey, yeah, you all played a smart one on me now, yeah? Now they all got me only, yeah? Completely done. All right, so considering you guys are from Google, I'm sure you all have worked really hard to put this together then, yeah? So it's going to be amazing if I see you all saying thumbs up to yourselves and to everyone inside, wishing them and the evening all the very best to rock and roll, yeah? Thank you. Thank you so much, Prashant. See you guys. Bye. Brandcast 2013 with me, Avneet Kohli. Hello, ma'am. How are you feeling?
Hi, we're Googlers actually, so you might want to.
Actually, even I'm a Googler in that sense because I am on Google all the time.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, we're all Googlers, aren't we?
All right, so I'm asking all the Googlers to say a thumbs up, wishing themselves and everyone inside all the very best for this lovely evening.
Thank you.
Very warm welcome to the Google Presents YouTube Brandcast 2013 Red Carpet with Avneet Kohli. How are you doing?
Very good, very good.
Yeah, ma'am, your good name?
Somini.
Somini?
Vikas.
Vikas?
Ameya.
Ameya, you would be surprised that you're the sixth Vikas I'm speaking to today evening, who's present at this event. So कहते हैं कि हर आदमी की शक्ल के 7 लोग होते हैं दुनिया में, शायद 6 भाई आपको यहाँ ही मिल जाए. ठीक है? All right, so do you guys surf on YouTube and Google?
Yeah, we do. I mean, we work with them as well, as in very closely. So it's great to be here, and we're excited to see what's going to happen.
I'm sure, but do you have any guesses that when Google does something, I'm sure they do it large. They go Google. So any guesses with who the celebrity could be inside? Someone that you've always fantasized that might just come true today evening?
Oh my God. I don't fantasize, but I really like him, Shah Rukh Khan.
You do really like him. All right, so I'm going to wish you all the best. You never know, he might just be inside to launch Google tonight. Yep. All right. Wish you guys all the best. See you. All right. What are you expecting from this evening when you set foot inside? You're just steps away from going in and experiencing something that you're going to treasure for a lifetime.
I hope so. What am I expecting? I don't know, actually. We had a good meeting yesterday and actually got to understand what other people are doing with YouTube in India. And we also got some perspective from the folks at Google who came in from the Bay Area and from other parts of Asia to tell us about what YouTube is currently doing, how they work with their partners, and what they plan on doing in the future. But I'm here to find out a lot more about what they plan on doing in the future. We've just started our journey in terms of working with YouTube, and I foresee a future where we'll be doing a hell of a lot more.
Okay, I'm presuming that you're a Saluja, so you're a Punjabi boy, am I right?
I am. I'm half Sardar, half Nepali.
All right, so I'm guessing that right. So if you're a Punjabi boy, I think I can ask you this, that last year, we know there was a South Indian boy who made it big on YouTube. We all know Kolaveri D, we all know Dhanush.
That was done by us, actually.
That was done by you. So I'm sure you know the second name to follow, who was a Punjabi boy who made it really big online last year.
Who made it really big online last year?
See, this is what happens when you run away from your culture. Then you forget that who are the newbies in the business.
Who else made it really big last year? Remind me. Hint.
Last year, this year. Guess.
Give me a hint.
Maybe if you try and do something like, Oh Savariya.
So who was that?
You don't have any idea still?
No.
I can't give you more guesses to that. You don't know who Oh Savariya is. Oh, then you've got to do it with me. Come on. Okay. You put one finger. Yeah. You put one finger on the nose. Press it in. Yeah. And naak se say, Oh Savariya.
Oh Savariya.
Well, I'm talking about Yo-Yo Honey Singh, who made it with 1 billion views on YouTube last year.
And was that last year or was that post the controversy?
Whenever that was, but he did make it big and he was the only Punjabi boy who's done it so far. All right, Mr. Saluja, you have a lovely evening. Pleasure to chat with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Quite a lot of time.
If I had to ask you, what sort of percentage of your day do you spend online?
Couple of hours.
Couple of hours. If you had to put a number to it?
About 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours a day is what you spend. Does your wife get that kind of time off you?
Good question.
Oh, she doesn't, I'm sure. Being in the media business and then sparing 2.5 hours every day online, I don't think many people get that. All right, so I'm going to ask you, what search engine do you surf on then?
Well, quite a lot of them. Google is one of them.
Google is one of them. Do you also watch a lot of videos online?
Yes.
Any video that you watched recently and where did you watch it?
Well, a lot of videos of Times Now that we put online. A lot of Zoom videos that we put online. Watch a lot of them.
So you obviously don't really have much of a choice. Even if you didn't want to watch it, you had to bloody watch it. All right, Mr. Chandra, lovely. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening inside.